terrifying.
Oh my gosh. The fact that this is in our under the stairs ward closet. Oh my gosh. Spot the cat. She's down there. You can see her little ears. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Lexi. Oh gosh, I really hope she doesn't suffocate. Oh my gosh. I feel like we should help her. Does she need help? Oh, bless her. Where is she? Can we even get that bag off?
Yeah, I'll do.
Okay. Okay. She's made herself comfortable.
Oh, this little cat.
Gotta love cats. I'm gonna take a photo of this.